cuboidal box 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box has the greatest lateral surface area and by how much? And which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? So here two types of boxes are there. One is cuboidal box, that is cube. Side is, what's the side given? 10 centimeter. Then second one is 12. Cuboid length is equal to 12.5. Breadth is equal to 10 and height is equal to 8 centimeter. Now, first one, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of cube. What is that lateral surface area of cube? 4a square. No. So 4 into 10 into 10. So 100 into 4, 400 centimeter square you will get. Now when total surface area of cube when you are taking, that is equal to 6a square. So 6 into 10 into 10. So 600 centimeter square you will get. Same you have to find out for cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 times LH plus BH. No, lateral surface area, that is 4 walls it will come 2 times LH plus BH. So it will be 2 times 1200.
100.
No. So 100 plus 80. 180 is 2. 360 you will get. Okay. So which one will be greater? First one will be greater. Now total surface area when you are taking 2 times LB plus BH plus LH when you are taking. So 2 times 12.5 plus into 10 plus this one you can take 360. 2 into 12.5. 25 will get 25 into 10.
250.
Yeah, 250 plus 360.
610.
610. No? Now total surface area when you are taking, which one is greater? That's cuboid is greater. Okay. Start writing. That's it. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass tape, held together with a tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide, and 25 centimeter high. Then, what is the area of the glass? How much tape is needed for all the 12 edges? So, first, it is herbarium. That is entirely with a glass plate, including the base. So what will be coming that one? So it will be a box-like structure. Okay, including the base you have to find out. Okay, so how much area it will come? Herbarium. Total surface area of the box it will come. So what is total surface area of the cuboid? That is 2 times LB. So here 6 to 1. Just tell me what is that? L is equal to
30.
30. 30. Okay, 30 centimeter B. And H is also 25. Yeah. Now, total surface area of a boy 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. So it will be 2 times 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 30 into 25. Okay. So 2 times 825 is
750.
750.
625.
625.
Or piece 750.
Okay. Now 750 plus 750.
1500.
1500.
Yeah. Then
1500.
2125.
2125.
multiply by 2.
4250.
Okay. That much centimeter square. Okay. But second question is what? 12 edges are there. Now 12 edges, how it will come? Like this it is coming. 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12 it will come. So how many times length will come? If it is length 1, 2, 3, 4 times length will come. 4 times breadth will come and 4 times height will come. So 10 required. That is herbarium means what? वो जो बॉक्स से ग्लास से बनता है वो ग्लास चिपकाने के लिए आपको टैप चाहिए ना ग्लास को तो वो ग्लास वो टैप कहाँ पे लगेगा ये 12 एजेस पे ही लगेगा अंडरस्टूड सो टैप रिक्वायर्ड इज इक्वल टू 4 times L plus B plus H so 4 times L 30 80 no
320.
centimeter okay finish was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing the sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimension 25, 20 and 5 and smaller 15, 12 and 5. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4,000 centimeter square, then find the cost of cardboard required to supply 250 boxes each time. See here, so many questions are given. Now, 2 types of boxes are there. With 2 different types of boxes. You have to make 250 such boxes. Then 5% extra for overlapping also you have to take. Okay. Then you have to find out the cost for that making that boxes also. Okay. So let us find out that total surface area of the bigger box. So length is equal to bigger one. What is the length given? 25, 20 and 5. 5. Okay. Now total surface area of bigger box is equal to 2 times LB BH plus LH. So 2 times 25 to 20 20 into 5.
Or
25 into 5. Okay. Now
500.
500.
100, 125.
125.
725.
Yeah, 725. Now it will be
1450.
centimeter square. Now 5% extra we need. Okay. So find out 5% of this one for that covering. So cardboard box, when you are making some extra we need to cover that one. Huh? So okay. Yeah, 5%. So extra cardboard needed. That is equal to 1450. Two so it will be
72.5.
72.5. So that much centimeter square. So what is the area or cardboard required? Is equal to 1500. कितना होगा? 5 ना? उसमें चलेगा ना? करेक्ट ना?
बेटा सर पूरा हो गया.
No. Addition.
50 or 1500. हाँ सही है.
Okay. That is for the first one. That is only for one box. Okay. How many box we need? 250 box we need. Okay. So cardboard we need for 250 boxes. This is the case of first one. We need more. 250 into
1522.5.
this find out answer. 250 into
3
This is for one box. Okay? One box. Second box also same way you have to find out. Then we will add, then multiply by 4 by 1000. Okay? So this much you write. Then we will discuss the second one. Second part, L is equal to 15. B equal to
12.
12.
or H5.
H5. Okay? So, total surface area of smaller box, that is equal to 2 times LB plus LH plus BH. That is 2 times 15 into 12.
12 into 5.
12 into 15 into 5. 12 into
300.
and 180.
180. नहीं नहीं sorry.
What is it?
9 instead.
60.
75.
75. Addition
350.
240 plus 750.
300 and
300 and
15 or 50. 15.
15. 6,000.
Now 5% extra here also you have to find out. Extra cardboard needed. So 5% of 630. 630 into 5 by 100. 31.5. Okay, 31.5. So cardboard needed is equal to 630 plus 31.5. So it is 661.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now 250 such boxes you have to make. So cardboard needed for 250 boxes. That is equal to 250 multiplied by 661.5. Is the multiplication? 250 multiplied by let them multiply do it.
1,65,375.
Yeah.
So, alam, ay, kayo.
375.
Ah.
Now add these two. Total area will be equal to first one was 380. Sorry. Plus this one. Addition what you are getting? 5,000. Now cost it will be 5,46,000 multiplied by 4 divided by 1,000. So sorry, 180.
2,184.
Yeah.